Grafting is a technique used to join two plants. After grafting, the upper part of one plant grows on the root system of another plant. So how do you graft a mango tree? Before that, you should know the right month to graft. Grafting should be done in summer when the tree is actively growing. Graft in early morning in a shaded place or indoor. You will need a rootstock, a scion, sharp pruning shears, grafting knife, grafting tape and a plastic bag. Select the rootstock from a 6-month-old disease-free, healthy and vigorously growing mango tree grown from seed, about 20 to 30 centimeters tall and 3 to 4 millimeters thick. Cut the rootstock at a height of 4 to 10 inch above soil. Split the rootstock through to 1 to 2 inch. Select a mature disease-free fruiting mango tree. Cut a 10 cm long, 4 mm thick young branch having 1 or 2 buds, which are not yet opened. Ensure both the scion and rootstock are of the same thickness. Cut both sides of the lower end of the scion to give it 1 inch long V-shape using a sharp knife. The outer green covering, which is the cambium region, should remain intact. You can store the scion inside a plastic bag placed in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, if you are unable to graft the scion to the rootstock immediately. Ensure both the scion and rootstock are of the same thickness. Place the cut section of the scion into the vertical cut of the rootstock, and press the two sections to bring them together so that their cambium regions touch to each other. Tightly press the slit to make contact of outer green coverings of rootstock and the scion. Using a grafting tape or polythene sheet, wrap the two sections together tightly. Wrap only lightly on the bud or leave the bud uncovered where the new growth will emerge. The covering raises the temperature and moisture levels around the graft needed for success, and also it protects the graft from insects. Place in shade. Cover the sealed graft with a paper envelope if in sun. Water the grafted tree normally. Remove the cover when the grafted tree starts growing and remove the wrap when new leaves grow. Top tips to prevent failures. Sterilize tools, your hands and the working place to reduce infection to the plant. Protect rootstock and scion from dirt and chemicals. Take rootstock from a tree actively growing up to 1 year old. Take scion from a tree which is producing fruits every year. The rootstock and scion should be of same thickness.